Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. The road to losing weight, specifically stomach fat, can be such a discouraging process, especially when you have to deal with stubborn belly fat. But it is possible to trim off a muffin top even while you sleep. It will continue burning fat while you sleep. How is this possible? Because the ingredients in this drink are all shown to speed up the metabolism. So when you drink it before you go to bed, your body keeps breaking things down quickly. We want to share several bedtime drinks that will help burn stomach fat faster. Watch full video for this amazing drink that change your life. The question is, how amazing would it be if you could lose weight quickly with one drink? It may be hard to believe, but this drink is very easy to make. By drinking just one glass of this juice before bed, you will lower your fat levels, especially your belly fat. Here the first ingredient, cucumber. Cucumbers are very good for fighting fat. They are an important part of any weight loss plan. Second ingredients, ginger. Ginger helps the body break down materials faster and stops constipation. Third ingredient, lemon. Lemon juice is good for flushing out toxins that have built up in the body. And the last ingredient, aloe vera. Aloe vera juice is full of antioxidants and helps block free radicals, which lead to swelling and bloating. With these simple ingredients, which you can pick up at your grocery store, you can make this weight loss drink in no time. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, 1/2 glass of water. Blend them, and drink a glass of the juice before bedtime. If you drink it every night, and after waking up you do some cardio workouts for about 30 minutes, you will see it get better in just a few days. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. If you find this video useful, please press like button, share with your friends. To watch more video like this, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and you will be notified when we put a new videos.